Hi, and today we will be disassembling a Maytag washing machine to find a lost item. Start off by unplugging your washing machine and getting rid of the hot and cold water pipes. Make sure to get rid of all the water in the pipes and to put all of them in a pot or container to collect any water that comes out. We first start off by taking off the cap of the agitator using a flat screwdriver. Now we are going to remove the bolt using a 7/16 wrench. Once it becomes loose, you can try to unscrew it with your hand. Make sure to leave the parts somewhere safe when you need to reassemble the bolt. Now, getting the agitator is very tough. You can first try to open the agitator by using a piece of metal to open it from the sides, making sure to pull the agitator up and putting a flat screwdriver in the gap. It makes it much easier if you put 3 screwdrivers with the 3 lines. If that doesn't work, you can try using a rope to pull the agitator out. Using a butter knife, you can squeeze the middle of the rope into the agitator. Using both ends of the rope, you can try to pull the agitator out. You can also try to loosen the agitator by using boiling hot water, trying to loosen the agitator. Then once again, trying to pull with the rope. You can also try to hit the agitator with a wooden block to try and loosen the agitator. After some time and effort, you should be able to pull the agitator out. After this, there may be another part under the agitator that you may to remove using an electric screwdriver. Once the agitator is taken out and all screws have been taken out, you can remove the drum out of the washing machine. Look inside of your drum. And shake it around to see if your lost item is inside the drum. If you cannot find it inside of the drum, you may have to look inside of your washing machine, where the outer tub seal is. To do this, loosen the 2 screws on the top left and right of your washing machine that hold the lid to the washing machine. Then you can remove the lid and look inside outer tub seal to see if it is there. In our case, we found half of our item, well, the other half we couldn't find. In this case, the item may have gone down the washing machine through the water pipes. You can then use a stud finder or a metal detector to find your item. Once the light is flashing and the detector is ringing, you know where to cut. In our case, we find the item in one of the water pipes that came from the washing machine. Now, carefully using a saw, cut open the water pipe where your metal detector is buzzing. Check your P-Trap, because it is where all the water stays, and all heavy metals will stay there because it is at a low point. It is always easier to cut on a straight pipe, so that it is easy to replace. Now, using duct tape and piece of flexible hose, attach tape so that the outside of the rope is sticky. This way it can try to catch your item. As you can see, the flexible hose with tape catches our item. Now we are going to resample the pipe and the washing machine. Since you cut open your pipe, you will have to get a new one. In our case, we decided to use a flexible cuff link, so that we didn't need to glue anything onto the existing pipes. Also, so that next time if anything is lost, we don't need to cut open the pipe again. Using a screwdriver, loosen the screws on the top and bottom of the link. Put the flexible cuff link into place with the existing pipes, and then screw both screws to tighten the flexible cuff link. May be sure that both sides of the pipe are tight. Otherwise, water can leak through. If you found it hard to take of the parts of the washing machine, it is recommended to put some products to get rid of rust and make it easier to disassemble next time. Now, gently place back the drum into the washing machine, aligning with the metal piece in the middle. Now, screw back the screws you have taken out. And put back this piece as well. Now, to put your agitator back on, spin it slightly on the metal piece in the middle and push down. Now you have to start putting the bolt back into the middle, using the 7/16 wrench. Make sure to tighten the bolt and finally put the cap on. Now, for the last step, put the outer tub seal back onto the washing machine, making sure all 4 sides are correctly placed, and you hear a clicking sound when you push it back into place. After this, screw your lid back on at the back of the washing machine, and you're done. Connect the hot and cold water back into the washing machine, making sure to use a pipe wrench to gently tighten the pipe. Finally, after all pipes are connected, you can plug your washing machine back into the outlet. Thank you for watching.